A few years back, one of my students was perplexed. Came up to me and said, "Ma'am, I love giving presentation, but I fear the impromptu question that comes in between. उसी की वजह से मैं अपना पूरी efficiency नहीं दे पाती हूँ. No, that delivery and the flow that gets affected, and my reputation in the team gets affected because of that." Once it happened that she had to give a presentation in a general meeting on something like effect of global warming in India and what role their organization is playing in reducing it. She prepared it very well. Her presentation was going perfect, but someone asked some impromptu questions like, to what extent is carbon footprint affecting the situation in India, and something like this. She was not prepared for this question, though she could answer the question if she thought rationally, because she was working on the topic for quite some time. But she became nervous and started to fumble. And the rest of the presentation, she could not perform as expected. Similar situation was reported by a couple of my students during interviews. Most of us fear coming out of our comfort zone, isn't it? जैसे ही हमें कुछ ऐसा करने को होता है जो नॉर्मल से हटके है, हमारा SOS बटन ऑन हो जाता है. Addy and Amy love such situations. I'll give you another situation I know you can relate to me. Imagine yourself sitting in your lecture class, या तो presentation या तो कोई review meeting, and आपका professor या teacher या boss जो भी है, all at once starts asking questions for which you were not ready. What do? आंखें चुराते हैं, हार्ट बीट फास्ट हो जाता है, फंबल करते हैं, दिमाग ब्लैंक हो जाता है, मेमोरी लॉस का अलार्म बजता है, पसीने छूटते हैं, आंसर्स जो आ रहे थे वो भी गायब हो जाते हैं. बहुत सिली लगते हैं सबके सामने, और इसी गिल्ट में हम अपना सेल्फ एस्टीम भी गिराते जाते हैं. इट्स बिकॉज यू आर नॉट रेडी फॉर द अनएक्सपेक्टेड. And Addy Amy understands such situations and sends alarm to you that it's an emergency. And the physical signs start showing up, which is the biggest hurdle of having an effective communication. Don't give them a chance. Prepare yourself for all possible questions related to your talk or issues under consideration. Have confidence on yourself, and if at all you get a googly ball, simply defend it by saying, "Sorry, I don't have the appropriate answer to your question. I'll come back with the answer soon." Do not get ready to be bowled out.